In this video, we're going to build an expert advisor that sets a break-even stop loss for buy trades once they become profitable, eliminating the risk. Let's get started by opening the MetaTrader editor. Click the IDE icon. Now click on New, Expert Advisor from Template, and Next. I'm going to call mine Break-Even Stop Loss Advanced, but you can name yours whatever you like. When you've done that, click Next, Next, and Finish. Now we need to remove everything above the untick function and delete the two comment lines inside it. This keeps everything clean. Now we need to include the standard trade library. This gives us access to simplified trading functions. Now let's create an instance of the ctrade class named trade. Inside the onTick function, we begin by getting the current as price. We use normalized double with digits to automatically account for whether the symbol uses 3 or 5 decimal places. Now we check if we have no open positions. If that's true, we open a buy trade. This will place a buy trade with a stop loss of 1000 points below and a take profit 500 points above the entry. Next, we call our custom break-even function. We haven't actually built that yet, so let's define that function now. We will loop through all the open positions in reverse. For each one, we get the symbol and check if it matches the current chart. Then we grab their position ticket and entry price. Now the key part, if the ask price is 250 points above the entry price, we move the stop loss to break even. Use trade.position modify, and this sets the stop loss equal to the entry price. Now we can click compile. You shouldn't see any errors or any warnings. Return to MetaTrader 5, click view, strategy tester. Select the file that we've just created. Make sure visualization is enabled and click start. As the trade moves 250 points into profit, you'll see the EA shifts the stop loss to break even automatically. And this is how you create a break even stop loss EA for buy trades using only a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.